Let's learn how you can create a new auto invest mandate on the Sharekhan app. Open the menu and go to Mutual Funds. Then, select Auto Investment Mandate. Alternatively, you can click on New on the SIP order page. Your registered bank with Sharekhan will be displayed by default. On the auto registration page, review your pre-filled personal details. Choose your title. Enter the maximum amount to be debited for your SIP installment in a single day. For first-time BSE mandates, it defaults to 1 lakh rupees, otherwise, it's 10,000 rupees more than your previous mandate. The maximum amount is the most that can be debited in a day. Even if you enter a higher amount, only your SIP amount will be debited. The surplus covers future SIP installments. Confirm terms and conditions and click Submit. Verify the registration details on the summary page and click Proceed to go to the authentication page. After clicking Continue, enter the authentication code sent by BSE* to your registered email. Click Submit. Verify the mandate details using debit card, net banking, or Aadhaar. Accept terms and conditions and click Submit. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation page. And that is how, in a few easy steps, you can set up your auto-debit mandate for all your future SIP transactions. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.